Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, especially the students of class 10, I would like to welcome you today on my online class. And dear students, I want to tell you something today. We have discussed all the grammatical rules and the varieties, different teachers. Sometimes, so far I can remember, we have told you all the rules of 11 grammatical rules what you have to face in the SSC examination. So, after few months, you are going to attend in the SSC examinations. So, I have taken a decision. So, as we have to face SSC examination, so we need some exercise, we need some preparation so that we can do well in the SSC examination. So, keeping this mind, I have taken a decision for you that we will exercise on some questions pattern what we have already discussed before you about the rules and regulations, the how we can do it. I told you many techniques. I told you the shortcomings, rules, so that I can practice it, I can answer the questions in the examination hall very easily. So, my today's target is to give you some practice, some exercise so that we can do well in the examination. So, dear students, I am Abdul Motalab, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. So, dear students, just if you look at the picture, what are the students doing here? So, you can easily gauge that the students are writing in the examination hall. So, dear students, our today's topic is exercise on Cloze test with clues. You know, this is the question number 1, and so far I can remember, I gave 3 lectures on these topics, on the rules, the how you can do it easily. So, today we are going to do some exercise on the questions. So, what will be our learning outcomes from this exercise? After completing these lessons, we will be able to prepare for the SSC examination. Dear students, I told my motto to you. So, what is my target? My target is to do some exercise with you. We all together, we will exercise here so that you can be inspired to do more exercises sitting at home. Just I will try to give you some sample. I am going to give you some techniques how you will exercise yourself at home. So, by observing, by enjoying this class, you will be inspired. I strongly hope that you will be more inspired, so and you will get a way the how you will exercise yourself at home. So, dear students, today, so this is a questions, and you know these questions, this type of questions will come to your SSC examination in question number 1 as a Cloze test with clues. You know, you will have some words in the box and you have to fill in the blanks in the spaces. So, dear students, when I discussed with you some rules and regulations on Cloze test, so far I can remember, I told you that you must have to learn some techniques. What were the techniques? So far I can remember, I told you that by seeing these gaps, you have to identify, you have to fix the whether which parts of speech I have to use here. So, by observing before and after the gaps, we can easily understand whether I have to use noun or pronoun or adjective or verb or adverb, etc. So, if I can identify the parts of speech by observing this fill in the gaps, then it will be very much easy for me to find out a word from the box to use here. So, dear students, so be ready and try to go with me. I will go through the passage now, and I will tell you the techniques for your what should I say, for your betterment, for your better understanding, and lastly I will show you the answer, the how you have to write in the examination hall. So dear students, Bangladesh is a populated country. So I know this sentence is a complete sentence. There is no lackings in the clause. So this is a verb. So this is an adjective. So before adjective we know we have to use an adverb here. So now if I go to the box, then easily I will find an adverb here. Then yes, as I have understood, in the gaps I have to use an adverb, and in the box when I will look at, oh, this is an adverb, then easily I can bring the word here, and my word will be easily matched with this context. So dear students, this type of techniques I told you repeatedly when I gave the lecture on the rules of Cloze test with and without Cloze. So Bangladesh is a densely populated country, but a large number of our people are. So this is an are, meaning this is a be verb. And you know, in my lecture I told you that the object of a be verb may be an adjective. So then I can understand as a student, oh yes, I have to use an adjective. Then, so, but a large number of people, of our people are, we need an adjective. But here I can see this is an unemployment. Employment, here we have unemployment, but I know this is a noun. So according to my techniques, what we have learned before, that I need an adjective. Then I can easily understand, oh yes, I have to make this word an adjective. Then I will write down the answer, people are unemployed. Next, it is not possible for her to insure dash to the teeming millions. So it is not possible for her to insure, this is another verb, and so insure, I need a noun here, you know, according to a rule. So insure. So what do we have here? Hey, this is, as I have, I need a noun. So this is a noun. Then easily I can understand, oh yes. So insure employment to the teeming millions. Self-employment is a possible. So this is, dear students, how interesting it is. Just if you can remember my previous lectures, then you will be very much happy that you can easily find out the gaps. So this is an article, you know, after article we must use a noun, but there is no noun here, and there is an adjective. So this place is fixed for a noun, you know it completely. Then self-employment is a possible. Then I will search for a noun in the box. This is a noun. So we can easily use here is a possible solution to this problem. It means that people themselves should, you know, should is a modal auxiliary verb. And as a student of class 10, we know after a modal auxiliary verb, we must have to use a principal verb. Otherwise the sentence will be an incomplete one. So we have to search for a verb. It means that people themselves should, we are searching for a verb here. Oh, this is a verb, you know, explore. So that people themselves should explore avenues for self-employment, facilities for training in dash terrace. So dear students, if you can remember my rules or the techniques I told you, so this is a preposition, and after the preposition a noun is a must, you know. So after this preposition, that compulsory nouns are given here. So I have no problem here. So as I have no problems, so before the noun we are bound to use an adjective. So again I have to use an adjective here. So again I will search here for an adjective. So where I will get an adjective, this is an adjective. So easily you can search for your expected words. So then I will write down facilities for training in different trades and vocations are available. Are available again, dear students. Now look at here. So and vacations are available. This is an be verb. So after that adjective is here. So this is an adjective and after the gap there is a noun. So in my previous classes I told you that between an adjective and a noun a preposition should be used. So this place is fixed for a preposition. Now in the box I will search for a preposition, and fortunately as a student if you have this ability, how much beneficial these techniques will be. Now if you search in the box totally we have only one preposition given in the box. So now as a student, as I have understood this gap is fixed for a preposition, so then easily I can write down this preposition here without any hesitation, any confusion, because this place is fixed for a preposition and there is not a preposition except the single one. So my answer will automatically be correct. So these techniques will be very much useful for you. Again, the youth in particular can train themselves in any of these traits and turn into a useful. So again this is an article and after the article a noun is a must, you know, but there is no noun here. After the article we have an adjective, so this place is fixed for a noun. So again we will search for a noun. Useful, what we have written here, from here particular can train themselves in any of these traits and turn into a useful. I need a noun. What noun? This noun is still we didn't use in any other gaps. So we can useful manpower. The government also dash easy loans. So this is very more easy, you know. This is a subject and again we have an object here. So between subject and object we must have to use a verb, you know. So again I need a verb here. So the government should, this verb is still we didn't use. So the government also provide easy loans and government also provide, but we should written here the context is telling us the government also provides, we can write, but if we write should provide it will be more appropriate. But if you just write the provides then it will be right, I think. But if you write should provide then it will be more appropriate. So dear students, so should provide easy loans and counseling with a view to helping them start are necessary, because you know the object of a be verb should be an adjective. So necessary earning activity. So dear students, this was my technique. Just I am trying to give you the proofs. What rules I told you in my previous lectures. So far I can remember I gave you 3 lectures on these topics, and I have tried my best to give you the proof that if you practice, if you could understand the rules of what I told you, then how easy it will be for you to fill in the blanks in the examination hall without any tension, without any confusion. So dear students, just it was I was discussing with you so that you can understand how you will practice it at your home yourself. But in the exam hall, how you will write this answer. So I am going to show you the answer. So this is as I have write down it in the slide. So but just in your exam answer scripts, just you will give A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can write down in the same position, or you can write in this way also. Just you will in your exam hall, you will write answer to the questions number 1, then you will write like this, and you will just write down the answer. You have no need to copy the passage in your answer sheet. So just you will write down, and your answer will be right one, and you will get full marks, no doubt. So dear students, I would like to tell you just my target. What is my target to you? My target is to make you ignited. My target is to ignite you so that you can practice at home like this. In this capacity, you can follow the techniques what I have applied in my questions. So dear students, I hope, I believe myself, I strongly believe that you will follow my techniques and you will practice at your home like this, and it will, I have showed you only one practice, but you have to practice at least 30 or 40 or 50 questions. Then it will be easy for you, because then your vocabulary will be developed, your practice will be developed, your techniques will be developed. Then you can easily practice it at home, and you will be perfect, I think, and you will do well in the exam, I hope always. And I always pray to the Almighty Creator so that you can earn an expected result, what you are expecting, what you are deserving, you can, what you deserve, you can get that expected result. So dear students, so I would like to give you thanks again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much.